Hello, myself Ashwita and my assignment topic is Mana. Mana definition. Manyate avabhudyate jnanate anen iti mana, which means avabudhya means knowledge or understanding body constituent which one can have knowledge of matter is called mana or mind. Mana is one of the collection of source of knowledge because the knowledge cannot achieve without the connection of mana with their sense organs and sense organs with their object. For example, when we eat sweet chocolate, we understand the sweet taste of that chocolate. According to Ayurveda, it is mind which help us to understand and analyze sweet taste of chocolate. Synonyms of mind. Mana, Sattva, Chitas, Atindriya are the synonyms of mind. Mind is the tool for sense organs to perceive, hence is called Atindriya. It is also called Sattva. Chit is one of the synonym of mind. Mechanism of sense organs are complete with mind correcting soul and perfection of sense organs. Importance of mind. Mind is a seat of health and disease. Mana is very essential for the normal health, perfect health, and mana develops depends when his mind is free from mental tension, anxiety. In definition of health, it is also clearly mentioned that only the body, soul has equal quality of dosha, dhatu, and mala is not the symbol of perfection of health, but it is also depends upon the healthy mind. When the mind becomes healthy, normal quality of dosha, dhatu, and mala, the person becomes normal. Origin of mana. Avyakta is the root cause of the origin of entire living organism having properties, qualities like sattva, raja, tama with Ashtavida Avyakta. In this way, Srishti means universe is evolved and in Srishti, mana is produced from Sattvika gun or Ahankar with the predominance of Rajas gun. Subjects of mind. Chinta, to think about the knowledge perceived. Vichara, to establish logical sequence of knowledge perceived by the sense organs. Udhya, analyzing capacity of mind. Dheya, concentration on specific object. Sankalpa, determination. Functions of mind. Indriya Bhigraha, to induce the sense organs in their respective object. Swasya Nigraha, to control self and keep detached from undesired subjects. Uha, to understand out the meaning of subjects and treatise skillfully and understand their perceived meaning. Vichara, to have a thought process and reasoning about accepting or rejecting a thought. Following are the functions of the mind. The intellect comes into the action and actions are taken accordingly depending on what needs to be done and what not. Charak states that Mansastu Chinthamartha, which means mind is what thinks, it is its very nature to think, its field of roaming about what the sense feed it upon. For example, self-control. Some people control themselves around certain food. This is due to mana or mind. Characteristics of mind. When mind loses contact with sense organs, the one cannot perceive knowledge. When mind establishes the contact with sense organs, it can convey knowledge to soul. Mind is also called Ubhyanmatmak as it is mediator between sense organs and motor organs. Qualities of mind. Singleness and oneness are the two qualities of mind. Singleness is the existence of mind at a cellular level in the form of neurons. Oneness is the perception of one indriya at a particular instant of time. For example, we can feel when we have to pass the urine. Location of mind. तद्वद अतीन्द्रियाणं पुनः सत्वादिना केवल चेतनावत शरीर अन्यभूत च. Entire body is location of mana. Earlier writing held the heart to be the seat of mind. शिरस्ता लव्यंत्र गतम सर्वे इंद्रिय परम मन. The brain is the center of mind. For example, sometimes we are bitten by a mosquito, then our hand goes there automatically. This is due to mana or mind. Relationship between sharir and mana. सत्व रज तम क्षेत्री त्रयो प्रोक्ता महागुणा. वायु पित्त कफ क्षेत्री त्रयो दोषा समासथ. पवन रजो गुणामय पित्त सत्व गुणोत्रणान कफ तमो गुणाधिकः. Which means sattva guna is predominantly related to pitta dosha, while raja guna is related to vat dosha and tama gun is related to kapha dosha. Balanced state of mind depends on sattva raja tama. Sattva guna stimulates mind towards the object, acquire knowledge. Rajas motivates the mind towards the object. Tamas produces inertia in the mind and gives necessary rest to the mind. Due to excess of rajas quality, mind can become unstable and cannot concentrate on the objects. This lack of concentration on object and mind is called amanastakva. For example, snake bite. We can reassure the patient as around 70% of all snake bites are from non-venomous species of snake. Significance of mind in Ayurveda. Charak suggests that he who has his mind under control does not contract any disease. The entire approach of Ayurveda to the problem of health and disease is strongly psychosomatic in nature, with a greater emphasis on the phenomenon of mind than of body. Significance of mind in modern medicine. Modern neuroscience research indicates that all mental functions are the projections of brain function. Psychosomatic disorders. Man being a psychosomatic organism is naturally prone to psychosomatic disorders. Though in general every disease is psychosomatic, disease is one whose main cause in the psyche manifestation are predominantly visible in the body. Stress of mind has a central place in causation of psychosomatic disease. For example, jvara means fever is said to be the cause of pain and agony in the body and mana. Jvara is merely considered as a somatic disease, but lots of references regarding its psychosomatic approach are found. Kam jvara, caused due to mind is not stable when you are missing someone close to you. It will cause laziness, uninterest, sleep, etc. Shok jvara. This jvara caused due to some bad news or family problems. Bhaya jvara caused due to fear of something. Krodha jvara caused due to overwork. Vin jvara due to greediness. Indigestion. Sometimes we overeat because the food is delicious or tasty. It is our mind that tells us food is delicious and eat more. It causes indigestion problem, skin disorders. Stress causes different skin disorders. This is due to mind or mana. Diabetes. Some people have diabetes but also have a desire to eat sweets. In this, mana or mind help for self-control. Unmad, insanity. Dosha evolved are Vat, Pitta. When mind is affected by the predominance of Rajas and Tama, cardinal features like prevention of mind, intellect, consciousness, knowledge, memory, desire, manner, behavior. Apasmara, alepacy, meaning negation or loss of smarna, meaning recollection or consciousness. Mind is gently beated by rajas and tama when the dosha get exceedingly aggravated and their equilibrium. Behaviors like hallucination. Conclusion. Mana is an amruta dravya which has nothing any structure but its activities can be determined in the day-to-day routine life. Heart is the permanent location of mana. Mana rests in the hridaya after doing all the entire works of the body. Brain Mastiksha is the main controlling center of mana, from where it instructs and controls all the sense organs to perform their natural and routine works. Thank you.